Section 1: Why old money advice is failing in 2026. Many people are working harder than ever, yet struggling more with money. The issue isn't effort, it's outdated strategies. Traditional advice like just work more hours or cut coffee expenses no longer matches how income, inflation, and technology interact in the U.S. Job structures are changing, costs are rising unevenly, and income sources are shifting faster than most people realize. People searching for money tips in 2026 are not looking for shortcuts. They're trying to understand what actually works now. This video focuses on how money is realistically made and managed in today's environment. The goal is to explain systems, skills, and behaviors that align with how income flows in the modern U.S. economy. Understanding this shift is the first step before choosing any method of earning. Section 2: Understanding how income is changing in the U.S. Income in 2026 is less linear than before. Many Americans no longer rely on a single paycheck. Instead, income often comes from multiple streams: employment, freelance work, digital services, or performance-based compensation. Companies are outsourcing tasks, automating roles, and paying for skills rather than time. This has changed how people approach earning. Fixed salaries still exist, but variable income is becoming more common. Understanding this shift helps people adapt without confusion. This section explains why flexibility, skill relevance, and income diversity matter more than job titles. People researching money tips want clarity on how income actually flows today, not motivation, but structure. Knowing how income models work allows smarter decisions about where to invest time and effort. Section 3: Skill-based income over job-based income. One major trend in 2026 is skill-based earning. Employers and clients pay for outcomes, not presence. Skills such as data analysis, content creation, digital marketing, high tools usage, technical writing, and system management are widely monetized in the U.S. market. These skills can be applied across industries and platforms. Learning how skill pricing works hourly, project-based, or performance-based helps people understand earning potential realistically. This section focuses on how skills translate into income, how market demand affects pay, and why continuous learning matters. It avoids hype and explains why skill relevance determines earning capacity more than credentials alone. Section 4: Digital platforms and income access. Digital platforms play a central role in income generation in 2026. Marketplaces connect individuals with clients, customers, and employers faster than traditional systems. However, access does not equal success. Many people fail because they misunderstand platform rules, pricing pressure, and competition. This section explains how platforms work as ecosystems, not shortcuts. Algorithms, reviews, consistency, and positioning matter. People researching this topic want to know why some earn steadily while others struggle. Understanding platform economics helps users make informed decisions instead of guessing. This section focuses on structure, not tactics. Section 5: Managing money while trying to make money. Earning more does not automatically improve financial stability. Many people increase income but also increase spending. In 2026, managing irregular income is a major challenge. Taxes, insurance, subscriptions, and delayed payments can create cash flow stress. This section explains why budgeting, cash buffers, and expense awareness matter alongside earning efforts. People researching money tips often overlook money management while chasing income. Understanding how to control cash flow allows income efforts to actually support stability. This section focuses on practical financial organization without promises or motivational claims. Section 6: Risk awareness and income decisions. Every income method carries risk: market risk, time risk, and opportunity cost. In the U.S., economic shifts, interest rates, and technology changes affect income reliability. This section explains how to evaluate income ideas logically: time investment, learning curve, income variability, and sustainability. People researching money in 2026 want to avoid wasting time on unrealistic options. Understanding risk does not mean avoiding action, it means making informed choices. This section teaches how to think critically before committing energy to any income path. Section 7: Long-term thinking versus short-term income. Short-term income can solve immediate needs, but long-term income supports stability. In 2026, Many people mix both without clarity. This section explains the difference between transactional income and scalable income. It discusses how some activities trade time for money, while others build systems or reusable output. People researching money tips often ask why income plateaus. Understanding income structure helps answer that question logically. This section focuses on planning, not promises, and explains how time allocation affects financial outcomes over years. Section 8, Building a Practical Money Strategy for 2026. Making money in 2026 requires alignment between skills, income structure, and financial management. There is no single method that fits everyone. This final section explains how people can evaluate options based on their situation, time availability, existing skills, financial obligations, and risk tolerance. The focus is on decision-making frameworks rather than tactics. People researching this topic want clarity, not hype. Understanding how to think about money decisions helps individuals adapt as conditions change. This section closes the video with a structured perspective on earning in the modern U.S. economy without promises, without exaggeration. Subscribe my YouTube channel Smart Money Life Finance for more tips. Subscribe to Smart Money Life Finance channel to get more easy, practical, and proven money-saving strategies every week. Hit the like button if this video opened your eyes to how much money you were losing without realizing it. Comment below with your biggest money-saving tip or question. I personally read every comment and share the best ones in future videos. Remember, saving money isn't about sacrifice. It's about smart choices. Subscribe, like, and join our growing community of smart money managers today.